In the 1820s, father and son team Robert and George Stephenson pioneered the development of the steam engine. They debuted the rocket at an 1829 exhibition. Now, the rocket won the competition, and it blistered at 30 miles an hour. That was so fast that William Huskisson, who was the president of the Board of Trade, he was killed because the train was moving at him so fast. Now, I want you to think about that. 30 miles an hour in 1829 in Britain was considered to be such a blinding speed that the president of the Board of Trade was just sitting on the rails in front while the train was coming at him, and he didn't move out of the way in time, and he died. We would think today of that speed as being rather pedestrian. But in 1829, 30 miles an hour was a complete outlier. So what does this mean for you? It means that outliers a lot of times are only outliers today, but they are pointing towards the future. You don't want to just throw outliers away simply because they're outliers. You want to understand how they impact and influence your data as a whole. You don't want to just slavishly adhere to keeping all of your data, even the outliers, when it doesn't make sense, but you also don't want to throw the outliers away only because they're outliers. Use discretion.